you doing? We're cleaning up toys because we've had such a good week. Aren't we cleaning up toys, Brady? Yeah. Yeah, we're ready. We gotta clean your toys up. I'm gonna have to go put that in the toy closet. Yeah, well, we're not gonna drive it off the stairs. Yeah, Grandma's gonna have to take that one. Okay. Hold it on. Hold on to the side. Boom. Brady, watch what you're doing.
Brady, can you turn around and go backwards? We learned how to do that too. He just forgets.
I don't think he likes going
I don't
backwards.
think he does either. I think he conveniently forgets that he learned how to do that.
Boom. Well, he was going boom on every step, but he's cut that out too.
Down to business.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's put this in the toy closet, sweetie. All the toys up.
Hey, there you go. Sit on your bottom.
Okay.
Good job, Brady. Here's his little toy closet.
Say bye-bye to all the toys.
Say bye-bye.
Watch out for your fingers, sweetie. Look. Hello, toys. Hey, Brady. We gotta go. It's bedtime.
Okay, Brady, come on, buddy. Famous toy closet, right here.
Okay, come on.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, toys.
Good night, toys. There we go.
Okay, come on, let's go upstairs. Come on.
Okay.
Hurry.
Mommy, Daddy, you need to buy a 2-story house. Yeah. Yeah, so I can burn my calories.
Come on, Brady. Come on. Let's go. Distracted.
He is distracted.
The camera, he would normally be at the top of the stairs already.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Brady, we're going up the stairs. Come on.
You little ham.
Yeah, you know you're on camera, don't you? Come on, buddy.
Hey, yeah, we got to show Daddy what I did while I was gone.
All week. Okay, can you say bye-bye to the video? Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, okay, we're staying upstairs. We're not going down again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's time to go night-night. Don't shut me away.